Hi students, welcome you all for the second session of model paper 2. Okay, so here I am going to solve the question paper that is model question paper 2, and as you all know, in the morning we have done one session that part A and part B questions has been solved. Good evening to everyone, and welcome to JEE Maths Mantra. So that in this YouTube channel you can see all your theory related videos as well as CET related videos as well as PYQs. Okay, so today I wanted to add one more video for PYQ, but it was not possible. No problem, I will try to upload it after 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. I will see when it will get over. Okay, so good evening to everyone, and welcome to the class. We shall start our class with one of the doubt that one of the student has been asked in the part B, that is 11th question. Okay, so in the part B, one of the student has been asked this doubt, that is, sir, please explain it once again. So no problem, I will clarify this doubt and I will go for part C. Okay, in the part B 11th question, you just see what they are asking. They are asking let A be the set of 1, 2, 3, then find the number of relations. Then find the number of relations containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 which are reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Okay, so here what you do, first you write the relation which is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Okay, so what they have said, they have asked the number, they have asked the number of relations containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 which is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Okay, so for that reason what I will do, I will take 1, 2, 1, 3 which has to be in our relation according to the given condition, and this relation has to be reflexive. That means for the reflexive we should write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, now it has to be symmetric. It has to be symmetric means if 1, 2 is present, 2, 1 must be present. 1, 3 is present means 3, 1 must be present. Okay, so now it is reflexive and symmetric but it should not be transitive. It should not be transitive means you can see here 3, 1 is present and 1, 2 is present. 3, 1 is present, 1, 2 is present. Okay, 3, 1 is present and 1, 2 is present. What it implies? 3, 2 must be present, but 3, 2 is not present in our relation, therefore it is not transitive. So therefore the set A is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Our condition satisfied. Now we have to write how many number of this type of relations we can write. So for that you just see, using set A I can write 9 order pairs. Using these 3 elements I can write 9 order pairs. Okay, that means in our complete Cartesian product we are going to have 9 order pairs. We know that subset of the Cartesian product is relation. So this is one of the subset of A cross B. Okay, but in the A cross B, how many order pairs are present? 9 order pairs are present. Okay, here 3, 2 and 2, 3 are the only remaining order pairs. Other than this, if I add these 2 order pairs, in the set A, it is going to be symmetric, reflexive as well as transitive. So I can't add it. That means I can write only one relation of set A. So therefore it has only one a relation such that reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Is it clear? So quickly tell me. So I think who have asked the doubt has may got the clarity on that particular problem. Now quickly we can go for problem number 25, that is from our part C. Okay. Good evening to everyone. Welcome to the class. So now I am going to start my part C. Okay. Problem number 25, solution. Problem number 25, solution. Clear? See here. So that the relation R defined in the set A. So that the relation R defined in the set A of all triangles. That means let A be the set of all triangles. Okay. Now R is the relation such that set of T1 comma T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. T1 is similar to T2 is equivalence relation. So it is equivalence relation means first we have to show reflexive. So for reflexive we know that for every T belongs to set A, we know that for every T belongs to set A, we know that every triangle is similar to itself. So therefore order pair T comma T belongs to R for every T belongs to A. So therefore it is reflexive. Now we can go for symmetric. So for symmetric you just see if T1 is similar to T2, then T2 is similar to T1. It implies what? T1 comma T2 belongs to R implies T2 comma T1 belongs to R. So therefore it is symmetric. Now for transitivity you just see for transitive we know that if T1 is similar to T2, T2 is similar to T1, then T1 is similar to T2 is similar to T3, then T1 is similar to T3. Okay, so that is order pair T1 comma T2 belongs to R and T2 comma T3 belongs to R implies T1 comma T3 belongs to R. So therefore it is transitive. So similarity of true triangles, you already studied it in 10th standard or you may also studied it in 9th standard, no problem. So let us not discuss more on it. It is very theoretical problem. You can just write it, but no problem. While writing, please be careful. You have to write everything very much neatly. Okay. So every triangle is similar to itself. So therefore it is reflexive. And we know that if T1 is similar to T2, T2 is also similar to T1. So therefore it is symmetric. And by taking transitive, T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3 implies T1 is similar to T3. So therefore T1 comma T2 belongs to R and T2 comma T3 belongs to R. Therefore T1 comma T3 belongs to R. So this is very simple problem. No worries. Everyone can understand this. Can I go for the next problem? Quickly give me the thumbs. So that if you are following the class, quickly give me the thumbs, smiles and energetic faces, because I also want to get energy. By getting your reactions, I can get energy. Okay. So quickly reply me everyone. Are you following the class? Reply me quickly. Okay. So now the second 26th problem is, you just say f of x is equal to matrix of cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Then show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. So my dear students, here first be very perfect with writing f of x, f of y and f of x plus y, because you need first f of x. So what is equal to f of x? You just see that is given cos x minus sin x 0, and the second row is sin x cos x 0, third row is 0, 0, 1. Okay, so now go for f of y. What is f of y? You just see it, cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is f of y. Now you see what is f of x plus y. F of x plus y is equal to cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so f of x, f of y and f of x plus y. You should be very concentrative on this, because they have given only f of x and we have to write f of y, and we have to write this is equal to f of x plus y. Now we have to prove this. Okay, so for the first reason, you write f of x, that is cos x. Here you have minus sin x, here you have 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, and you can write the second matrix, that is cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So we have to multiply this now, and we have to prove that it is equal to f of x plus y. So multiply the terms very carefully. Cos x into cos y is cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y is minus sin x sin y. Okay, and third term is 0, no problem. Next, cos x into minus sin y is minus cos x into sin y, minus sin x into cos y is minus sin x into cos y, and third term is 0 into 0 is 0. Okay, next 0, so cos x into 0 is 0, minus sin x into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Okay, no problem. So now you just see this is second row, first column, sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y plus cos x into sin y, and next third term is 0 into 0 is 0. Clear? Next, second row, second column, sin x into minus sin y is minus sin x sin y, cos x into cos y plus cos x into cos y. 0 into 0 is 0. Sin x into 0 is 0, cos x into 0 is 0, and 0 into 1 is 0. Third row, first column, it will be 0 plus 0 plus 0, and next it will be 0 plus 0 plus 0, and third row, third column will be 0 plus 0 plus 1. Okay, so my dear students, you can see here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y means cos of x plus y formula. Okay, here you just take minus sign common. If you take minus sign common, cos x sin y, sin x cos y you will get, that is the formula of sin of x plus y, and this term is 0. Here you see this is the formula of sin of x plus y, and here this is the formula of cos of x plus y, and this term is 0, and the third row is very common, you will get 0, 0, 1. So therefore you have your required result, that is f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. equal to, you write the same thing here. Therefore, you write f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. So quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this. Here be careful, sometimes what you do, you directly multiply cos x and same f of x into same f of x you are going to do sometimes. Okay, don't do that. You have to write f of x, f of y and f of x plus y. Be careful. Okay, here this is f of x, f of y, f of x plus y. See, this is f of x, this is f of y, and by multiplying this now we have got f of x plus y. Clear? So quickly give me thumbs. I can go for the next problem. That is problem number 27. Problem number 27. Okay. So now see the problem number 27, that is x equal to 2at square, y equal to at raised to 4. Now you have to find dy by dx. Okay, so this is parametric form. First you write dx by dt equal to 4 times of a into t. Next you write dy by dt that is 4at cube. Okay, now calculate dy by dx. That is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? 4at cube divided by 4at. 4a will get cancelled, t and t will get cancelled, t square will remain. So dy by dx is t square. Very simple problem. Okay. Can I quickly go for the next problem? This is 27th one. Okay, so 27 is over. We can go for problem number 28. All of you quickly tell me, are you getting the problems? Are you understanding the problems? So problem number 28. This is x into sine of a plus y plus sine a into cos of a plus y equal to 0. Show that dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y divided by sine a. Okay. So in this problem you have to be very careful. In this problem you have to be very careful. Why you have to be very careful? I will explain. Here this is sine a. Okay, so now you have x sine of a plus y plus sine a cos of a plus y. First I will write x sine of a plus y. I will take this term to LHS. So that will be minus of sine a cos of a plus y. Next I will take sine of a plus y to LHS. That will be x equal to minus sine of a into, this is cos of a plus y divided by sine of a plus y. Okay, so now you just see here, cos of a plus y divided by sine of a plus y is cot of a plus y. That means x will be equal to minus sine a into cot of a plus y. Here you have to be very careful. We know that cos of a plus y divided by sine of a plus y is cot. Okay, now I have to differentiate. Till now I have not done any differentiation. Now I have to differentiate. If I have to differentiate, here minus sine a is constant. Please be careful, because I am going to differentiate it with respect to y. I am differentiating x with respect to y, because here variable is y. So this step has to be very keen and careful. I will differentiate this x with respect to y. That will be dx by dy minus sine a is constant term, right as it is. Now cot differentiation. What is cot differentiation? Minus cosecant square of a plus y. Some of you quickly write multiplied with dy by dx. Please don't write this, because we are multiplying with respect to y, not with respect to x. If you are multiplying it with respect to x, then you have to write dy by dx. So please be careful. You have to not to write dy by dx. You must not write here multiplied with dy by dx. Okay, that thing you have to be very, very careful. Now see what happens. Here minus sine a, minus into minus is plus sine a. Cosecant square is what? Nothing but 1 by sine square of a plus y. This is equal to nothing but dx by dy. Now I want dy by dx. You just reverse these terms. Okay, you just reverse these terms. Dx by dy you have. You just reverse these terms. You will get dy by dx is equal to sine square of a plus y divided by sine a. From here to here I am going. Just you reverse them. You already got dx by dy. You just reverse them. That will be dy by dx equal to sine square of a plus y divided by sine a. So this is what your problem. That's why I say please be very, very careful if you are solving this problem in the annual exam. If you are solving this problem in the annual exam. Are you clear? Quickly give me thumbs if you have understood, because here this is a little bit concentrative problem and simply blindly you can't solve here. You have to go through some arrangements, some techniques. So that's why I am telling you have to be very, very careful. And in the last step you see you got dx by dy. You can just reverse them or you can just take cross multiplication. That is dy comes here, sin a comes here, sin square of a plus y goes to here, dx comes to here. Okay, that is going to be dy by dx is equal to sin square of a plus y divided by sin a. Okay, very quickly give me thumbs. Very nice, very nice. Only some of you are very much active. Some of you are not active. Be active guys. This is the age, still you are completing your 18. At the age of 18 you have to be very proactive. Now at our age we have to be very lazy. Clear? So no problem. Quickly we can go for problem number 29. Now we can go for problem number 29, that is find slope of the tangent to the curve. So what is the curve? Y equal to x cube minus x at x equal to 2. Y equal to x cube minus x at x equal to 2. Okay. Let us solve this by differentiating. So by differentiating what you get? Dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 1. What they are asking? Slope of tangent at y equal to x cube minus x at x equal to 2. So slope of tangent is equal to what? Slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 2. So therefore that is 3 times of 2 square minus 1. So that is 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. This is your answer. Okay. Very good. Now we can go for problem number 30. See the problem number 30, that is find x cube minus 3 e to the power of x divided by x cube minus 1 to the power of whole cube. So 3 you can write it as x minus 1 minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into e to the power of x into dx. Okay. Now separate the terms. What you are going to get? X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into e raised to x with respect to dx. Okay. So here you can get cancel x minus 1 and x minus 1. So that will be integration of 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into e to the power of x with respect to dx. So you can see here f of x is 1 by x minus 1 square, and if I differentiate this you are going to get minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. Therefore this is in the form of integration of f of x plus f dash of x into e power x with respect to dx. Therefore this is equal to what? E raised to x into f of x plus c. Therefore e raised to x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c is your answer. Very simple problem that you can understand very easily. but you must know the integration formulas, you must know the integration techniques, then only you can follow me in this particular problem. Clear? So just see, 3 can be written as -1 -2, so x minus 1 will get cancelled. You will remain with 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. If I differentiate that, you are going to get -2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. So that you can see this is f of x, this is f dash of x. So therefore e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x formula you have to use. Therefore e raised to x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square is your answer. Now we can go for problem number 31, that is integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos square x with respect to dx. Okay, so we all know that cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. So now cos square x will be equal to cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this formula you have to use here. That will be 1 by 2 is constant, 0 to pi by 2. Here you are going to get cos 2x plus 1. Clear? Use this formula, cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Minus 1 if comes this side, it will be cos 2x plus 1. So therefore cos square x is equal to cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So now this is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of cos 2x is what? It will be sin 2x divided by 2 plus integration of 1 is what? X from 0 to pi by 2. Some of you directly write this as minus sign because you will be perfect with the differentiation formulas. Sometimes there are chances of writing minus sign here. Be careful. In the integration of cos is plus sign. In the integration of cos is plus sign. Okay. So now this will be equal to 1 by 2 into, you can put x value as pi by 2. That will be sin pi divided by 2 because 2 will get cancelled. Plus you can put here pi by 2. Okay. So if you put lower limit 0, it will become 0. Here sin 0 is 0. So leave it, no problem. Now 1 by 2 into sin pi. Sin pi is also 0. Okay. 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore multiplied with pi by 2. So therefore pi by 4 will be the answer. Okay. So check your answer. It will be pi by 4. It will be pi by 4. Some of you have written it as pi by 2. It is not pi by 2, Manjunath. You just check it. It is pi by 4. Clear? Because integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Be careful. Clear? Okay, so quickly give me thumbs if you are understanding this. Quickly give me thumbs if you are following this. Quickly give me smiles if you are understanding the problems and if you are happy with solving the model question papers. So all of you who all not subscribed my channel, you can just subscribe it. If you want to like the videos, you can just like it, no problem. We can quickly go for problem number 32. So I think problem number 32 is repeated. Problem number 32 is repeated from the previous question paper. Okay. So now we can go for problem number 32, that is integration of x to the power of 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 4 divided by x raised to 5 with respect to dx. Okay. Now as I explained in the previous paper, take x to the power of 4 common. If you take x to the power of 4 out of the bracket, you have 1 by 4 here. This is 4th root. 4 will get cancelled. X will come outside. 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 4 divided by x to the power of 5. You can just cancel x and x. So that will be integration of 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 4 divided by x to the power of 4 with respect to dx. Okay. So now what happens here? You can just see, put 1 minus 1 by x cube as t. Put 1 minus 1 by x cube as t. So now if you differentiate this, 1 will be 0. If I differentiate minus 1 by x cube, it will be just as minus 3 divided by x to the power of 4. Minus into minus will be plus, equal to dt by dx. So therefore you can see that dx divided by x raised to 4 equal to dt divided by 3. So in the previous question paper also we have done this. Here also you can just follow it, no problem. Put 1 minus 1 by x cube equal to t, differentiate both sides. Differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of 1 by x cube is minus 3 divided by x to the power of 4, minus into minus will be plus, that will be equal to dt divided by dx. So therefore dx divided by x to the power of 4 equal to dt divided by 3. Now you can replace the terms and you can simplify. Dx divided by x to the power of 4 is dt and divided by 3. 1 minus 1 by x cube is t. 1 minus 1 by x cube is t. So t to the power of 1 by 4. You can write it as t to the power of 1 by 4. Okay. T to the power of 1 by 4 into dt. So that will be equal to 1 by 3 into 1 t to the power of 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 here multiplied with 4 by 5 plus c. So that will be 4 by 15. T is 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 5 by 4 plus c. This is your answer. Okay. So 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. So therefore you can write it as 4 by 5. Clear? So all of you quickly tell me, are you following? Have you understood this? If you have your techniques of integration, if you have the formulas of integration, you can understand it. Here we have to cover so many number of problems. So that's why you have to be very fast. Anyways, I think all of you are really good at integration and techniques of integration, that you can understand, no problem. Okay. So quickly tell me everyone, have you understood this? Okay, so I have so many number of thumbs, so many number of smiles. I can go for the next question. If anyone have the problem with understanding, if anyone have the doubts, you can watch the video again and again. You just watch the video very slowly. You can also make video slow also in your mobiles while watching, so that you can just watch it with slow motion and you can understand the problems. Clear? So if you are not understanding, watch the video again. Still if you not understand, watch the video again. Still there is a problem, you can just call me or message me, no problem. We have our doubt clearing sessions. On that I will call you separately as a guest, and there I will make you to understand. Okay. If you have any problem, I will call you as a guest in doubt clearing session and I will make you to understand there, no problem. Next go for problem number 35. Next go for problem number, sorry, not problem number 35, problem number 33. We have to go for problem number 33. Okay. So let us go to problem number 33, that is area bounded by the curve x square. This is x square equal to 4y. This is x square equal to 4y, and this is y equal to 2, and this is y equal to 4. Okay. In the first quadrant. So they are asking only in the first quadrant. This is the area in the first quadrant. Clear? So now here you have to do integration with respect to y. See, x square equal to 4y. X will be equal to 2 root y. You have to make integration for required area. That will be from 2 to 4. 2 is constant, root y with respect to dy. Don't multiply one more 2 here, because they are asking only in first quadrant. If they not give in the first quadrant, you have to write the both. Okay. If they not mention first quadrant, you have to multiply one extra 2 for the required area. So now no problem, you can directly go for it. 2 times of integration of root y is y to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Here you can write it as 2 by 3. From 2 to 4. Okay. So this is 4 by 3. Y value is 4. So 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power of 3 by 2. So 4 you can write it as 4 by 3 multiplied with 4 by 3 multiplied with 4 is what? 2 square to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 can be written as root 2 square to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. So now here you can just see upper limit is 4, lower limit is 2. So therefore you can just write it as 4 as 2 square and 2 as root 2 square. So 4 by 3, 2 will get cancelled, 2 cube is 8, 2 will get cancelled, root 2 cube is 2 root 2. Therefore 4 by 3 that is nothing but 32 minus 8 root 2 divided by 3 square units is our answer. Okay, clear? So quickly tell me everyone, reply me with thumbs, have you understood this? If you have understood this, you can quickly give me thumbs so that I can go for the next problem. Be careful, they are asking only in the first quadrant, so there is no need to multiply extra to this, for this required problem. Okay, all of you, are you really understanding the problems or not? I think this is like just a revision for you. This is like a just revision for you. If you are very good at integration, then it is really enjoyable. Okay. Now I can go for problem number 34. That is, find the equation of the curve passing through the point minus 2, 3. So this is also again repeated. Given that the slope of the tangent means dy by dx is equal to 2x by y square. See, this is also repeated. Okay, so in this slide we have 2 repeated problems. Morning I think we have 5 or 6. So here we have 2. Problem number 34, problem number 32. Okay, I think problem number 35 is also repeated. Okay, 34, you just see. Variable separable method, y square into dy, 2x into dx, y cube by 3 equal to 2x square by 2 plus c, integrating on both sides. I have skipped one step because already we have solved this so many times and we have also solved in the previous question paper also. So here I have skipped one step, that is integration on both sides. Directly I have written this will be y cube by 3, this will be 2 times of x square by 2, 2 will get cancelled. Okay, now they have given x value as minus 2, y value as 3. So 3 cube divided by 3 minus 2 square plus c. You can cancel 3 and 3, no problem. 3 square will be 9 equal to 4 equal to c, sorry, plus c. So therefore c will be equal to 5. C will be equal to 5. Okay, so you just see that c is 5, therefore our answer is going to be y cube by 3 equal to x square plus 5. Y cube by 3 equal to x square plus 5. Very good. We can go for problem number 35. That is also repeated. Unit vector perpendicular to 2 vectors. Take v1 as vector a plus vector b, vector v2 as vector a minus vector b. Already we have solved in the previous question paper also, no problem, you can understand it. v1 equal to vector a plus vector b, v2 equal to vector a minus vector b. Now as I said, we have to go through cross product a b and this is the perpendicular vector. Okay, so now if you want to find the unit vector, you have to find v1 cross v2 divided by mod of v1 cross v2. This is unit vector. Okay, now we shall find v1 cross v2. So for that we need a plus b, I cap, j cap, k cap. For this you need a plus b. You see here 3 I cap plus I cap is 4 I cap. This is vector a plus vector b. Okay, 3 I cap plus I cap is 4 I cap, 2 j cap plus 2 j cap is 4 j cap, 2 k cap minus 2 k cap will get cancelled, that will be 0. On the same way, a minus b, 3 minus 1 is 2i cap, 2j cap minus 2j cap will be 0, leave it, plus 2k cap, minus of minus will be plus, so that is 4k cap. Okay, check once, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 2 minus 2 cancelled, minus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is cancelled, therefore 2 minus of minus 2 is 4. Okay, so therefore this is 4 4 0 2 0 4. Clear? So quickly you also verify it once and give me thumbs if I am correct. 4 into 4 is 16 minus 0 minus j cap into 4 into 4 is 16 minus 0 plus k cap into 0 minus 8. Okay, so this is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap. So now 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by, this will be 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. So quickly solve it and tell me the answer. 16 square plus 8 square. Okay, so quickly give me the answer. What is 16 square? So I think 16 square is 256. 256 plus 256 is 512. 512 plus 64, 576. This is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by root 576. Okay, so this will be your required answer. This will be your required answer. Okay, and try to factorize 576. 2 into 2 4, 1 remains, 2 into 8 16, 8 16, 2 into 1 2 into 4 2 into 4, 2 into 7 2 into 2, 2 into 3 2 into 6, 2 into 16, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 1. You just check. 56 can be written as what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 to the power of 9. Okay, so 2 to the power of 9 is nothing but what? 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 5. Okay, otherwise you just write it this much, more than enough. Clear? So 24 square. 24 square, you just check. 24 square, 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 2 is 4. So 6, 6, 5. This will be 566 or what? 24 square, you can just check. So you just check 24 square once, so that I think you can get the right answer. So I'll check 24 square, that is 24 multiplied with 24 is 276. Okay, we can write it as, take 8 common, 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by 24. Cancel it, 2 into 1 2 into 3. So your required answer will be 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap divided by 3. So this will be the required answer. Okay, so I think everyone got this. I think everyone got this. In the previous question paper, we have the same problem. But with different vectors. Okay, so very good. Some of you have given the right answer. Quickly we can go for problem number 36. That is vector A, vector B, vector C are such that vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to 0, and we have to find A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay. So if three vectors A, B, C are such that A plus B plus C equal to 0, we have to find A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. You just make squaring on both sides. That will be vector A plus vector B plus vector C square equal to 0. That is mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus 2 times of A dot B plus 2 times of B dot C plus 2 times of C dot A equal to 0. Okay. So now we can write it as A value. They have given mod A is 1. They have given mod B is 4. They have given mod C is 2. 1 square is 1. 4 square is 16. C square is 4. Equal to plus 2 is common. A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to 0. So now you can just see this will be 21. Now A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A will be equal to minus 21 by 2. Minus 21 by 2 will be the required answer. So quickly all of you tell me, have you understood this? Have you understood this? Problem on vectors. Okay. So here first you have to take vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to 0. Take squaring on both sides. So that will be mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square equal to plus 2 times of A dot B plus 2 times of B dot C plus 2 times of C dot A equal to 0. You write mod A, mod B, mod C, and you can just simplify it and you will get the required answer, that is minus 21 by 2. Minus 21 by 2. Okay. So quickly all of you, please give me the thumbs, smiles. Please give me the thumbs, smiles, so that I can go for the next problem. That is problem number 37. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes, that is 3x minus plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Very good. Very nice problem. We have to enjoy this type of problems. Okay. So what they have given? They have given two planes and we have to find the plane passing through the intersection of two planes and the intersection of point they have given. If you draw the diagram of this, it will be like this. Okay. So these are the two planes and this is the intersection line and the point will be 2, 2, 1. Clear? This is what the plane of intersection of the plane, plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Clear? If you want to draw it still more neatly, it will be like this. This will be the first plane. This will be the second plane. And this is going to be the third plane. This is going to be the third plane, which is passing through this intersection. And the point is 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. Okay. So now we know that intersection of two planes is given by pi 1 plus lambda times of pi 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Here pi 1 is not 22 by 7. Pi 1 is plane. Please remember pi 1 is plane. Pi 2, this is plane 1. Pi 2 is plane 2. Okay, don't get confused. So now this is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times of x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. And the point is 2, 2, 1. Put in the place of x. 3 into 2 will be 6. 3 into 2 minus y is 2 plus z is 1 minus 4. Okay. Plus lambda times of x is 2, y is 2, z is 1, minus 2 equal to 0, minus 2 plus 2 cancelled, here minus 2 plus 2 cancelled, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, plus 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 lambda equal to 0. Lambda will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Lambda will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Now this lambda has to be used in equation 1. This lambda has to be used in equation 1. Okay. So to use that lambda in equation 1, what I will do? First I will remove this because I want some place here. So take lambda in the equation 1 and you can just simplify it. That is three x minus y plus 2z minus 4. Lambda is how much? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. So take LCM. LCM will be 3. So that is 9x minus 3y plus 6z minus 12 minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z plus 4 will be equal to 0. Divided by 3 you can make it as 0. 9x minus 2x is 7x. Minus 3y minus 2y is minus 5y. 6z minus 2z is 4z. Minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8 equal to 0. So this is your answer. Okay. So quickly tell me, have you understood this? This is the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Plane passing through the intersection of two planes, that is pi 1 plus lambda times of pi 2 equal to 0. You must know pi 1 is plane 1, pi 2 is plane 2. So therefore you have x value 2, y value 2, z value 1. You just replace them, find the lambda value. After getting lambda value, use lambda in equation 1. So you can just put in equation 1 and you can simplify. That will be 7x minus 5y plus 4z minus 8 will be equal to 0. Quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this, so that I can go for problem number 38. So if you have any doubts, you can ask, no problem. We shall go for problem number 38. Okay. So very nice. I want thumbs from everyone so that I can go for the next problem. Okay. So here, see problem number 38, that is, a man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. A man knows to speak 3 out of 4 times. He throws the dice and reports it is 6. Find the probability that actually it is 6. So all of you give some more concentration here. Event E1 will be exactly occurred 6, or you can tell it as actually occurred 6. Before going to the events, first you understand the problem. There is one person, or you take one student. There is one student who speaks 3 out of 4 times truth. 3 out of 4 times truth. Okay. Now what he does, he rolls the dice. Student rolls the dice and he reports that it is 6. He rolls the dice and reports that it is 6. Okay. So diagrammatically we can go through it. There is one student. He speaks 3 truths out of 4. He speaks 3 out of 4 times truth. 3 out of 4 times truth. He rolls the dice and he reports that it is 6. He report that it is 6. Now we have to find the probability of actually it is 6. That means he is telling 6 and it is also 6. It has occurred 6 and he is also speaking truth. That we have to find. That means if I take event E1, actually occurred 6. Event E2, not occurred 6. Not occurred 6. Okay. So now what is probability of E1? We know that n of s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the number of sample spaces for dash. So now actually occurred 6 means we have only one favorable case, that will be 1 by 6. Probability of E2, that is not occurred 6. For not occurred 6 you have 5 favorable cases, that will be 5 divided by 6. Okay. Now I will take event A, that is reports as it is 6. Reports as it is 6. Okay. Now what we have to find the probability that actually it is 6. That means this you have to find. Probability of E1, that means actually it is 6, that he reports truth. A means what? Reports it is 6. Okay. He is speaking truth. Okay. Probability of actually it is 6 and the person is also speaking truth. That you have to calculate. So therefore now you can just see probability of A, that is he is reporting 6 and already 6 is occurred, will be how much? 3 by 4. They only given. And probability of A, that is reporting E2, that means it has not occurred 6. See here, already you got 3 by 4 here. The remaining term is what? 1 minus 3 by 4. That will be equal to 1 by 4. Why? Because probability is in two ways. One is speaking truth, another is not speaking truth. Here you have calculated speaking truth. Here you have calculated not speaking truth. Speaking truth is 3 by 4. Not speaking truth is what? 1 minus 3 by 4. Okay. So that will be 1 by 4. Now we have to calculate probability of E1 bar A. That means E1 such that A is already occurred. That will be probability of A bar E1 into probability of E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A bar E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A bar E2. So this is our required formula. Now probability of A bar E1 is 3 by 4. Probability of E1 is 1 by 6 divided by probability of E1 is 1 by 6 into probability of A bar E1 is 3 by 4 plus probability of E2 is 1 by 4 plus it is 5 by 6. Okay. So now if you simplify this, it is going to be 1 by 24 is common on both numerator and denominator. Here you will remain with 3. Here you will remain with 3 plus 5. This is going to be cancelled and 3 by 8 is your answer. 3 by 8 is your answer. Okay. So here probability problems are little bit tough to understand. I can go through your psychology, but here these problems are really wonderful. These problems are really wonderful. Once you understand the probability, it is going to be very nice thing for you. So for that reason, please tell me, have you understood this or not? Have you understood this or not? Very beautiful problem, very beautiful problem. And this is my last problem for this session. We can end this here. So tomorrow morning at 10:30 I will go with part D, and tomorrow in the evening, so otherwise in the morning only with 1.5 hour session we can finish part D and part E. Okay. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? Okay. So now we can end this session. and we can meet tomorrow at 10:30 p.m. Sorry, 10:30 a.m. and we can solve our remaining problems of part D. So don't miss that session, because those things are 5-mark problems and they are going to be very, very important for scoring as well as passing. For passing students also it is important, for scoring to students also it is important. So we shall meet tomorrow at 10:30 and we shall try to complete this model paper 2 so that we can start model paper 3. I think this speed is okay for everyone. The explanation of speed is okay for everyone. Is it getting very fast? If you say it is very fast, I will make slow, no problem. We are solving the question paper, so that's why we have to go very fast. So that's why I am running like a speed horse, no problem. If you say slow, we can go very slowly. Clear? So please comment, we have to go with this speed or we have to slow down. Thank you everyone. Be safe, be at home, and quickly tell me about the fast and slow speed of the explanation. Okay. So we can meet tomorrow and we can end this session here. Clear? Okay, thank you.